Yes, Mariam Navuja, the Ladies Guide, your emotional wellness guide. 7 minutes of inspiration every Monday, giving you the things that can raise up your mind to raise up your life. Life is a total sum of your thoughts. Everything you think, everything you ever think of, has to manifest in your present day circumstance. So, today, introducing to you James Allen. James Allen is a thinker, is a philosopher, is an author of a very amazing book called As a Man Thinketh. As a Man Thinks. As a Man Thinketh is a book that brings to your understanding how thoughts become things. What you think about most of the time, how you think, how your software of life works can produce the physical manifestation of your life. Are you poor? Do you feel poverty has overtaken your life? Are you feeling people are envious of you? Are you feeling that there's a lot of hatred, lack? All those negative circumstances come from you. The amazing thing about this book is that he says no outside circumstance is responsible for whatever is happening to you. Whatever is happening to you is as a result of you yourself, which means that you can create the hate, you can create the envy, you can create the poverty, you can create the lack from within you. So, what is the answer in James Allen's book? He says, when you want to change your outside circumstances of your life, when you want to find wealth, happiness, peace, prosperity, joy, all those positive emotions of life, change the way you think. It's not easy, but it is possible. Changing your thoughts is the beginning of the change of the physical manifestation of your life. Everything you ever desire in your life, everything you ever desire to change, begins with this small box up here. So James Allen says, if you find that your life is full of disease, is full of confusion, is full of, all the things you don't want, don't blame anyone. Don't blame your mother, don't blame your father, don't blame your family, don't blame your friends, don't blame your job, don't blame everybody around you. Go back and change yourself. How? This is very amazing. How do you change your thoughts? How do you change your thoughts to manifest the good? He says, by understanding the law, by understanding the law of nature, by understanding how the universe operates, and the universe only operates in love, harmony, and justice. Just three things. And this is what I try to mean. Let's look at the law of love. The law of love says, give unto others which you would want to be given to yourself. In other words, when you're trying to give out hate, expect on the hate to come back. When you give out love, when you do everything with love, everything around you changes and you only attract love. When you give out that which you don't want, you get more of it. That is what that book says. Let's look at the law of justice. The law of justice says, whenever you do anything that hurts another person, knowingly or unknowingly, there is what they call a compensation plan for the universe. The universe will compensate back to you exactly, if not more folds of what you're giving out. Do you find yourself suffering? Do you find yourself, in fact, he says, there's no that thing of devil. No. The origin of evil is man not understanding the law of justice. That when you see that you are being cheated, you've already cheated another person. When you see that love is falling out of your hands, you've not loved. When you feel that people don't understand, you've not understood them. In other words, the law of justice says, be true. First, be true to yourself, then the world will be true to you. You'll attract only people who are full of truthfulness only when you're true. Let's look at the law of harmony. The law of harmony says, when you're out of harmony with self, when out of harmony with the universe, when you're out of harmony with everything, the universe returns the same thing back to you. You lose harmony. The law of harmony says when you want harmony to come back to you, put yourself together, be serene, be calm, have poise, top up. If it means taking rest, please rest. There's no need of a hurry. That's when the universe is going to work for you. When you're a business person, when you're a dreamer, a visionary, and you feel like things are not adding up, please don't continue. Rest a bit. The rest gives you the power. The surrender gives you the power to come back now when you're very organized. That is the law of harmony. In other words, don't operate in life when you lack of harmony, when you're out of harmony. So those are three things if you want the universe to work for you when you're using your thoughts. You must be in love, you must have harmony, and you must be in justice. Do unto others that which you want to be done to you. Don't do to others what you don't want to be done to you. That is the law of life. Okay? So when you find somebody who is suffering, complaining, full of lack, saying life is so difficult, check your actions. It's called law of cause and effect. The book is called As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. One of the amazing books I read 11 years ago, which changed the way I think, the way I act, and the way how I look at life. So if you want to detect people who are fake, be original yourself. You can never detect it if your thoughts are full of lies. Okay? So the book concludes by saying, if you want prosperity, success, fame, power, love, every good thing in life, give it out first for it to come back to you. The universe will give you more and more on the when you give out that which you want to receive. Thank you so much, and see you again next week in the 7 Minutes of Inspiration by Mariam, the Ladies Guide. Raising your mind to raise your life. Bye-bye.